The fifth product on this list is the GE12 Cup. Using a food processor is like having your own personal sous chef. It will save you from having to do a lot of time-consuming and exhausting prep work. This unit has a large 12-cup capacity and performs well. It has a 550-watt motor and is capable of slicing, grating, chopping, and mixing dough. The price of this machine is in the middle, making it a viable option for many. While it is a larger food processor, it is a versatile machine with many applications in most kitchens. What we like the most about this food processor is its simple, clean design. All of its controls are housed in a single large dial on the front. The dial has a pulse, low, high, and off settings, giving you simple control over the machine. The stainless steel finish complements a modern kitchen, and it stands 16 inches tall, but weighs only 6.6 pounds, making it easy to move around and lift into and out of cupboards. This machine's base also has suction cup feet that help it stick to the counter. The suction cups easily disengage by pulling the food processor to the edge of the counter, and they provide a secure hold while in use. On top of that, it has a built-in cord storage feature that is useful and adds to the machine's clean and sleek appearance. It also facilitates cleanup and storage. Its pros are, it has an ergonomic handle for secure handling. It comes with a large inner feed tube with stackable tubes that gives you 3 openings to accommodate a range of ingredients, and its cleanup is easy with a dishwasher-safe bowl and accessories. However, it lacks any attachment storage, which can be a deal breaker for some users. The GE12 Cup food processor is a powerful machine that is ideal for anyone who needs to prepare ingredients quickly.